Do you know who invented the QR code for people around the world to use for free? Nowadays, no one probably doesn't know the QR code, a small black and white square in a rectangular frame that is commonly found on billboards, websites, or in print media. QR code, short for Quick Response Code, is a set of overlapping squares representing various information. It was developed from barcode under the concept of more storage, readability, and quick response. The origin of QR code originated at Denso Wave Incorporated in Japan, a company that operates an automotive parts factory as a subsidiary of Toyota. In 1992, the company decided to produce fewer parts but more types of parts, the data to be handled, and production and transportation volumes increased by 5 to 6 times. At the time, a working barcode could contain only 20 characters, requiring factory workers to read the barcode multiple times to get complete information. This greatly reduces the efficiency and accuracy of the operation. Masahiro Hara works in the company's research and development department of barcode readers. He was tasked with developing barcodes to be able to input more numbers and letters. He started by solving a problem for readers to be able to distinguish code from characters by making the characters unique. He experimented with the proportions of the code and compared it to the space of letters in different languages around the world. Masahiro said the hardest part was trying to superimpose the code on top of the letter and have the sensors read only the code. It ended up with 2 squares overlapping at 3 corners, which is the demarcation mark of the code. Using the width of the outermost black equals 1, the next layer of white equals 1 and the next layer of black equals 3, combined to a ratio of 1 to 1 to 3 to 1 to 1. Placing a rectangle in 3 corners like this gives a visual appearance, leaving one corner empty so that the code can be separated from the background. In 1994, after 2 years of invention and development, the QR code was successfully read and stored in more than 7,000 characters. And because QR codes were originally intended for use in factories dealing with vehicles that could be contaminated with oil or dirt, QR codes are resistant to dirt and damage. Even if the code is split by 30%, the data can still be read correctly. The company has patented the QR code and made it available to the public but did not charge a single royalty because the QR code was not intended to be sold in the first place, but only to solve problems that arise in the factory. Masahiro said that if he had kept the patent to himself, it would not have developed as far as today. While it is royalty-free to everyone, Denso Wave benefits from being the market-leading manufacturer and distributor of QR code readers. In 2014, Masahiro and his team of developers became the first Japanese to receive the European Inventor Award, an award given by the European Patent Office to honor inventors who have improved the world's technology, society, and economy and passed the winner's evaluation with the highest number of votes from around the world. QR codes are widely used in education, e-commerce, security, medical services, tourism, marketing, and customer service. Masahiro is constantly making efforts to improve QR codes. One of them is to increase security, a key-locked QR code known as SQRC, short for Secret Function Equipped QR Code. SQRC, which has the same shape as a normal QR code, but has a 2-layer structure. When using a normal mobile phone to read the information, only the information that can be disclosed will be seen. But confidential information can only be read from specialized machines that are used in places where private data is required, such as hospitals. Currently, there are 40 different versions of the QR code. Each version depends on the size of the data stored in the QR code.